Hello traders and welcome back to another day trading with the team. My name is Orlando and this is Learn to Trade. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. That is free and it helps us out tremendously in reaching other traders. Now, why don't we talk about the Japanese yen? Now, the reason that I want to talk about the Japanese yen is because I just took a Japanese yen long, right? I know that it sounds counterintuitive in the sense that the Japanese yen is fundamentally very bearish, and technically we have been in the past 1, 2, 3, 4 days extremely bearish too. But the thing about this is just based on technicals, right? And technical levels only. Now, well, what I'm looking here, this is a daily, doesn't say much, but I'm going to look at the 4 hour chart, right? Let me show you the 4 hour chart. And the 4 hour chart shows extremely bull presence or buying presence at this previous key level. Now, the previous key level I'm talking about, of course, is the lows on around the lows, um, October lows. I'm sorry, but the actual key pivotal level is this one right here. From these lows, right? Here is where buyers jump in to um, bring price up about, let's call it from the breakout to the highs, to December highs, for about 5%. That's a 5% move on the Japanese yen. Now, on the 4 hour chart, I'm looking at, uh, of course, January lows being printed right here, which are, of course, this week's lows. Now, the thing about this, guys, is that if you notice, we have been, our price has been making new weekly lows for the past, 4 weeks, 5 weeks. But again, we are retesting last week's highs, right? Now, again, we saw a double bottom being printed here on the 4 hour chart and a higher high being printed after a very choppy move to the downside. So right now, on the short term, I'm looking at impulses being bullish in the Japanese yen, right? So I'm holding this for a possible breakout or at least a retest on the previous week's highs. Now, if we go to the hourly chart, right? If we go to the hourly chart, pretty simple. We have our price has again broken with the immediate bearish structure, like I said before, double bottom, higher high, I'm sorry, higher low, retesting the previous or the previous immediate bearish structure and printing again a new higher high. So right now I'm bullish short term the Japanese yen, and I took this GBP yen a few moments ago. Right, this is my trade on the Japanese yen on the Japanese yen, the best market that I saw yielding a nice long the Japanese yen was a pound yen, right at the retest. I mean, if you notice here, after this big move to the downside, we have a clean retest of the previous broken lows. ABC short-term trading, ABC shorts on a broken low, and yeah, that's about it. If you want to be part of my VIP team and get all my trades, just subscribe with the link below this video, right? I'm not going to give you any trade management unless you are, or trade updates unless you are a VIP.